Hello friends, welcome to the writing lesson series. In this video, we will learn the basics of summary writing. We will first understand what summary writing is, then look into the steps and format of summary writing. And finally, we will understand it with an example and I will give you an exercise at the end to practice. So without further ado, let's get started. What is a summary? A summary is a short and concise version of a longer text. It is written to present the key points or main ideas of the original text in a clear and precise manner without adding any unnecessary details or personal opinions. Imagine you have a long passage. When this text passes through the funnel of summary writing, it eliminates all the unnecessary details like examples, opinions, repetitions, etc., and processes only the important or main points from the text, thereby reducing the size of the text. The three important aspects of a summary are: number one, conciseness. It is brief and to the point. Number two, relevance. It includes only the main ideas and omits minor details. And number three, neutrality. It does not include any personal interpretation or judgments. So essentially, a good summary answers only two questions. Number one, what is the text about? And number two, what are the main points discussed in it? I hope now you understood what is a summary. Now, let's look into a four-step formula to write a good summary. Number one, read the text carefully to understand its overall meaning or theme. Here, you can finalize the title of the summary also. Read it twice or thrice until you get the concept. Number two, identify and underline the main ideas and key points. Number three, eliminate minor details, opinions, repetition, and examples from original text. To remember this, you can use the acronym MORE, where M is for minor detail, O is for opinions, R is for repetition, and E is for examples. Number 4, write in your own words. Instead of copying directly from the text, you have to rephrase it. Two additional points to keep in mind while writing any summary are: number 1, maintain a neutral tone, and number 2, write in the present tense unless the original text specifies otherwise. So these are the four steps of summary writing. Now let's look into the format of summary writing. Number 1, in the top middle of the page, give the title of the summary. And number 2, below the title, write the summary content. Please note, generally the summary is of 1/3 or 1/4 of the original text. For short summaries, write in just one paragraph. For exact word count or the number of paragraphs in the exams, consult your teacher. Now we have understood the steps and format of a summary. Let's implement it with an example. Read the paragraph below and summarize it in under 50 words. Let's start with step 1. Read the text carefully to understand its overall meaning or theme. So let's read it together. Cricket is one of the most popular sports in the world, especially in countries like India, Australia, and England. It is often referred to as a gentleman's game because of its emphasis on sportsmanship and fair play. The sport has evolved significantly over the years, with new formats like T20 gaining immense popularity due to their fast paced nature, while traditional formats like Test cricket focus on endurance and strategy. T20 matches are shorter and more entertaining, attracting a younger audience. Iconic players such as Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and MS Dhoni have made significant contributions to the game, inspiring millions of fans worldwide. Cricket also serves as a unifying factor, bringing people from different cultures and backgrounds together during tournaments like the ICC World Cup. From reading the text, we understand it is about cricket and it focuses on two things. Number one, its global popularity, and number two, its evolution over time. With this understanding, let me give the title to this passage: Cricket, Evolution and Popularity. Step 2. Identify and underline the main ideas and key points. So, the key points in this passage that I found out were: number 1, cricket is popular worldwide. Number 2, new formats like T20 attract younger audience. And number 3, cricket unites people during tournaments. Step 3, eliminate minor details. Here, we need to eliminate minor details, opinions, repetitions, and examples. Let's apply this. Number 1, remove the phrase countries like India, Australia, and England, since these are minor details. Number 2, omit the opinions like gentleman's game. Number 3, remove the repetition. T20 match are shorter, since already it is stated that T20 matches are fast paced in nature. Number 4, remove specific examples of iconic players like Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, or ICC World Cup. Instead, we can use a generalized version. So in this way, we are removing all the unnecessary details. So now we know what needs to be added, and more importantly, what needs to be eliminated. So what's next now? We will copy paste the main points, right? No, my friends, we need to rephrase and write, which is step 4. So step 4 is write in your own words and don't copy directly. So applying step 4, here is the final summary. Cricket is a popular global sport known for its sportsmanship. The T20 format has gained popularity in recent years, attracting a younger audience. Iconic players have inspired millions, and the sport unites people from different cultures during major tournaments. Notice how the summary is concise, relevant, and does not include any unnecessary details. This is my version of summary. You can write your version in the comment. Now it's time for exercise. Read the following passage and summarize it in under 50 words. Pause the video, solve the exercise, and message your answers in the comments. Also share your feedbacks about the lesson. I would love to hear it. Now, let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we learned that a summary is a brief version of a longer text that includes only the main ideas. To write a good summary, make it concise by focusing on the key points. Use relevant and your own words and maintain a neutral tone. Then we covered the 4 steps to write a good summary. Number 1, read the passage properly. Number 2, identify the main idea. Number 3, eliminate unnecessary details via the more formula. And number 4, write the summary in your own words. The format includes a title and main content. We practiced summary writing with an example to understand the process better. Finally, I gave you an exercise and I look forward to seeing your answers in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. To learn more about writing lessons, please check out writing playlist in the description and I will see you there. Till then, take care, all the best for exams and goodbye.